Wuenschmann, the last 10 years, the economic crisis in Greece has led to many companies from the shipping industry to look for alternative financing sources as opposed to banks. Where are we right now? What has changed in the banking sector in terms of the investment in the shipping industry?
I think it's a good signal for the industry that private debt has come to visit the shipping industry and provide financing, which is alternative, yes, but which to an extent helps the industry to fill a gap which is definitely there by the exit of so many traditional European shipping lenders. And this private debt brings new ideas, new creativity, has a certain risk appetite, which the bank does not have and cannot have anymore. So we think it's an addition, it's complementary to what we banks do. And basically we as banks also have to see where's our role. And probably our role today is, with a limited risk appetite in a regulated process, to still, let's say, offer a product which is well, let's say, founded by what we normally can do is good risk management, and let's say develop something which is interesting for the owners on that side.
Are you optimistic that the banking sector will be in a position to actually finance the shipping industry to a full extent, or just partially?
I think I'm optimistic. Yeah, we have, as I said, we have a few new entrants. So, as a CFO of a company, you have a variety of options today, and such as leasing companies for new building. Probably for something which is more recent and can have a corporate security. Then you have the, let's say, bigger financial institutions who look at your corporate background, and if you have a corporate background, then you are able to find through these institutions on a conservative scale. And then you have the more traditional asset-based lender like Berenberg, who are still looking at the asset, conservatively financing, let's say the less risky part of the capital structure, but who are there in order to, let's say, bring this stable element, and then with a certain creativity add to other elements which might miss between the equity and this more traditional debt, which can be junior debt provided by private equity or private debt funds, which can be other forms of capital which comes from family offices or other institutional capital sources.
Finally, you have actually attended the Capital Link event. I would like to share your thoughts on that.
I think especially here in Greece, the Capital Link has its home turf, so to say, and this is something you can immediately experience by being here. So it's still a very, very good gathering of people of all kind of all kind of segments, and so for us it's a good opportunity to travel in, to have efficient meeting day in, day out. So we appreciate this format here very much.